doing some filming here. Derek, you want to grab that? No idea.
He has no idea what's in this garage.
Woo! The Buster needed an oil change.
What are you sniffing it for?
I'm just trying to see if it smells like the four-way street race or Dodger Stadium.
You know there's fog lights down here?
Yes. Oh! So we're about to do an extensive tune-up on Paul Walker's Eclipse, Brian Earl Spillner, however you want to say it, but this is the actual screen used Eclipse, used in Fast 1 and Fast 2. This is called Stunt number 2 on the key car list, and it is going up on a dyno run tomorrow, so we got spark we got to change, oil we got to change, fuel filter, check the timing belt, check the transmission fluid, transmission filter. It's probably never been done. It's never been done since I've owned it, so now is the time.
I already started draining it because I got a little ahead of myself here, or a little ahead of you.
Ooh,
it is black. I mean,
man, look at that. Woo, the Buster needed an oil change. This car was sitting for, I don't even know, 5-6 years before I bought it. I think the owner claimed he changed the oil, but it is what it is.
It's getting changed now.
Getting changed now. Send it.
Ain't gonna send very far. No, it ain't gonna go very far. The oil pan's dented.
Purposely, or is that
no? I think that I don't know.
No,
that looks like dent. That's like
that looks too smooth of a dent.
I know, but why is there a crimple right here?
Oh shit!
There's like a dent right there, man. Didn't we think that this was the jump scene car?
Well, the one that did the jump actually on my key car list, it says stunt car and it says skid plate. Rusty has that car.
Well, they obviously did some stuff. This is the bar welded on here. Hold on.
I wonder if it had a tow hook of some sort that would pull the car.
Hey, he hooked something into it because look, there's a roll piece right there.
Yeah.
You know that's an old filter. STP don't make filter labels like that no more.
Wow, that's like a vintage. That's a vintage oil filter.
You mind getting me a rag, sir? So I don't drip all over the floor? I swear I get more oily here than I do anywhere else. On my new Clean Monica shirt too. I can't mess this up, man.
No, don't mess
I'm already laying on the floor with it.
Derek is wearing his Monica t-shirt to do an oil change. Come on, man.
Well, I told you I was going to destroy them. You're going to have my... Hey, I'm down here, bro. You need my filter? I know, I'm being like this. I'm sorry.
Man, you need to give me more instructions while I'm up.
I know. I didn't think you were going to sit down. I was just about to say it, too. It's in that bag right there.
What bag?
Over there. Are we going to put some Lucas in this thing?
Yeah, may as well.
I'm surprised it's got a little bit of a leak, but it's not too bad.
Yeah, for being, I mean, a 20-year-old car, it doesn't really have a whole lot of problems.
Besides it being slow?
Well, that's a problem from the factory.
You can turbocharge it.
We could, but we're not, because we're going to build another one.
I know, we're not
allowed to do anything. We're not going to spoil the surprise to the fans, but we're going to build a badass one.
You know there's fog lights down here?
Yes. Oh,
these are the fog lights for the second movie.
Yes, they're from the second film. The fog lights you're seeing right now are from Too Fast, Too Furious. I forgot to mention that.
Do the camera.
All right, check it out.
Yeah, this is from Too Fast, Too Furious. At least they left them there.
They're blue too, right?
Yeah, they're blue, yeah. And here's this like little hook thing. I don't know what that's from. This piece here, I'm not sure where that's from. But like it's got some rust on it, but we'll get there. You can spin the tube from Street Glow. What's that guy's name again?
Yeah, Jack from Street Glow hooked us up, guys. If you are doing a tribute car, replica, whatever you want to call it, go with the Street Glow neons. You know, Jack and his team, they reproduce them, and yeah, you can go LEDs, but I don't know, if you want to be true OG to the cars, real streak low neon all the way.
17, sir?
17 mil.
Right here, right here, right here. This thing's definitely got a leak, that's for sure. Looks like the rear main in the oil pan.
We need to check transmission fluid as well. In fact, we should have got a transmission filter. Shit.
You want me to do a whole lot of work today?
Hey, it's going to be doing a whole lot of stressing tomorrow.
They ain't gonna stress. They ain't gonna make that much. They ain't gonna stress.
That dyno doesn't even know what's coming to it, dude. This thing is going to
I'm telling you, it's not gonna make more than 85 horsepower.
This thing is going to spin the drum so freaking fast. It might just
You,
spin
man,
it
whatever
off
you
its
smoke
bearings.
at night, you need to start sharing because you're getting really crazy with it
It's
right
going to
now.
have so much horsepower, it's going to spin that drum straight off its bearings.
That oil, man, that is
Ugh.
that
There,
is
let's
dirty.
do a little dippity dip. Yeah. Not so much.
You know how much miles are on this thing?
I have to check. I think it's like 80-something thousand miles. The legendary 420A. Oh,
I was just joking.
champion plugs?
Pieces of crap.
Oh, man.
Throw those things in the garbage.
Yeah, buddy.
Those things belong in lawnmowers.
Yeah,
that's it.
lawnmowers. Lawnmowers and the Walmart section of automotive crap here.
Yeah, that's junk. Do we even have to keep those for keepsakes? It's just
You know me, I'm
it's
kind of
embarrassing.
nostalgic. I know, but like if
We
these
didn't own
were
it, though.
if these were used, in the film, then they're special to me. I don't know. We'll never know, but you
I
know what?
They ain't the factory ones.
I'm gonna keep them anyways. We'll do
Okay,
something kind of
fine,
cool
we'll
with them.
keep 'em.
Maybe a display. Tomorrow, between 3 and 7, this car will actually be on a dyno, just for fun. But it leads us to a complete new series that you guys are gonna love, and it's gonna have every movie car that we have in the garage up on a dyno before and after restoration.
We're not gonna make it any faster though.
This one's not going to be, no, because we're not going to, we'll put the, the typical intake, air intake on it, header, kind of the stuff that the Hero car had.
Shot.
Huh?
Something.
Did you say 50 shot?
It's a 300 shot.
300 shot. No. We have one outside we can do a complete
know,
badass
but-
replica with. Don't worry about it. We'll make a fast
Well, then when we do our 4-way street race, we're gonna have to use that one to
to
even
fill
make
it,
it.
to even remotely try to compete with the RX-7 and Monica and the Danny Yamato Civic that we have back there. Yeah.
Telling me it uses the same spark plugs as the
What?
as a
Here's how crazy
Civic?
nostalgic I am. I'm going to take these spark plugs right here, put them back in those boxes, and save them because you know what? Anything that comes off these movie cars, I never ever throw away. You just don't know if they were used in the film or not, but it doesn't really matter. They came off the car. We're going to keep them with the car.
afraid to check that belt though. I'll tell you that right now. Yeah, timing belt.
We need to check it.
I'm a little nervous about it. 'Cause
Yep, if it's cracked and brittle and about to pop, we are not going to be running this tomorrow because it's just not worth blowing this motor over a dyno run.
we'll go viral if it blows up on the dyno though.
Yeah, not the kind of viral I want to go.
It shouldn't be that bad. It's been sitting in storage, so it's not.
I know,
been in
but
the
still, they
elements.
have a lifespan even if they sit.
I'll get my light. Not cracking. Not bad. Doesn't look bad.
No, it doesn't look
Not
bad.
cracking and nothing like that. So, where's the mirror? You grab the mirror.
Safe to say, I think it'd be okay for a couple pulls. Certainly
We're
something.
only going to be running at 1 or 2.
Right,
This is-
but certainly something we need to replace.
might as well do it when we take it all out. So.
Right.
All right. Now I got to pull the battery out. The fuel filter's on the firewall, so
Oh, that's rather good though. I mean,
yeah. Let's just hope it comes off.
we need to check this too.
For what?
See if it
Well,
even
you
has
take it
a,
out, see if it makes any more power?
We'll see if it even has a filter.
There's clips on the bottom. Huh? You don't need one, right? Maybe make it a couple more horsepower if we don't leave one in. What are you sniffing it for?
I'm just trying to see if it smells like the 4-way street race or
Oh,
Dodger Stadium.
You can leave it like
Or
this. This would be like
definitely
that,
got
man.
that California odor to it.
I can take it out. We just put a filter on it. Maybe it'll make a couple tenths more horsepower.
Or we get one of those little eBay fans and you put it right here on your intake.
Oh god, like
and
supercharger
yeah,
things.
actually, if we link up about 5 of these, maybe, just maybe, we can run 10 seconds. No?
I can't listen to you. You got filters. You want a flat filter on it?
Do we have one?
And we got some filters.
No, it's got to be correct though, man. We can't just be throwing a filter in here.
No, I'm gonna slap a cone on it.
No, don't worry about it, Derek. No. No. No, I'll just put this back in. We're going to run this the way that we got it. Run what you
We'll try
brought.
to at least make it a little faster. Make it a little faster? So it's not as embarrassing?
It's all in good fun.
I know.
The fans know these are not 10-second cars. We've all kind of, if you live under a rock, you would think that this was a 10-second car or turbocharged, but if you're even a mild fan of the franchise, you know that these were not turbocharged, and they are 420As, not 4G63s.
All of them, right?
Every single one of them they have in the film, correct. Even the hero car is a 420A. So after inspecting the fuel filter, we kind of found some movie magic here. This car has 0 modifications, but yet it has
The fuel pressure sensor.
a fuel pressure sensor on it, which this car has 0 modifications other than that. So why would that be there?
Unless they,
Unless they had some of the gauges on the inside worked, you know?
and then they took them out and for too fast.
Possibly. That is crazy. I don't think anybody's, well, this was not brought to my attention when I bought the car, but yeah, man, that's crazy. There's no other reason for it. I mean, the car would not need that. It's all
definitely a
stock.
sensor.
I mean, 100% stock.
Springfield, Illinois. Yeah, this is definitely an aftermarket sensor. That ain't factory.
Nope.
Not with the tape on it. So. God, that fuel stinks.
Yeah, I'm sure. Horrible fuel is bad. Very bad.
Excuse me, sir. Is that our pizza?
Yep.
Here's our pizza.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Pizza. Sorry. Just doing some filming here. Derek, you want to grab that? Streets closed, pizza boy.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it.
What the hell's going on around here?
Streets closed, pizza boy. Find another way home.
I don't think he has any idea what's in this garage.
He had no idea.
He has no idea what's in this garage.
He just walked into like the largest Fast and the Furious collection, and he had no freaking clue.
No freaking clue.
I was hoping
When other people get here, it's like,
I know, like when parts guys come, they're like, "What? No way!" This guy's like, "Yeah, here's your pizza." I was hoping he would know my movie line.
I know, that would have been great, dude. That was Pizza Hut too, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
it was,
That
yeah.
would have been great. That would have been golden right there.
Art imitating life. Cool, man. All right.
All right, I guess what are you doing? You trying to take a break and eat now?
Dude, I am starving.
Oh my gosh.
It's all right.
Is that a 12? It is a 12. Man, maybe I need to eat something now. I can't get my bolt sizes right.
Let's take a pizza break.
Can I eat now? Am I allowed to eat? Street's closed, pizza boy.